This video covers installing the antenna for the Elenco AM radio kit. Be sure to read the helpful companion document linked in the video description prior to soldering. Now we install the antenna coil. As shown, it says in figure H. Well, figure H was back here, so it must be talking about figure J. This is talking about an antenna. So where's our antenna? Here we go. Ah, nice and delicate. All sorts of things going on. Assemble and mount the antenna to the PC board as shown below. Put the tab of the first holder into the right hole. Twist the tab 90 degrees. Gotta work this off. Okay, so that just fits in like that. I have to wiggle a little bit, rotate. So the one. Nice snap. Let me know I got it in correctly. Okay, that's good. Slide the ferrite core through the left holder. This is snug. You want to hold the holder so that it doesn't bend too much. Slide the antenna through over the ferrite core. Now slide the ferrite core through the right holder. Not too complicated so far. All right. These wires are a bit more delicate than what we have experienced before. So be careful when you separate them. These two seem to be wrapped together. I don't know if it's intentional or just happens to be that way. All right, so we have four colors: green, red, gray, or black. Appears to be uncolored. Let's see what we do with that. Green, red, blue, and white. So this uncolored one must be white. This one I thought was black, it must be blue. So we have green, red, blue, and white. Green, that's this, goes to the hole marked 1. All right. Be careful, you don't want to break these wires. So that goes in like that. I'm going to hold it with my thumb. It's going up right against the battery. Whoops, slipped out. Wow, they don't make this too easy. Bending the wire down. There we go. Okay. Yeah, there we go. I'm just going to solder these one at a time. I suppose I could try to put all 4 wires in before soldering them, but really I just see myself knocking them back out of the holes by accident. Wow. Good. It's secure. Red, through hole number 2. Come here, red. There we go. Now, this one and the next hole are pretty close. Be careful not to form a solder bridge. Hole number 3 is blue, the one that looked black to me. There we go. And finally, white or the uncolored one. Now this is delicate. I do not want this wire contact being soldered to that joint here. So I'm going to be careful, and if need be, I'm just going to go ahead and trim that wire after I solder it down. That looks good. All right. I have all 4 of these connected. These are very delicate wires. I want to keep that in mind while I do future work. Now, if you should break any of those wires off, you'll need to strip the insulation off following the instructions here to expose more wire. Watch this video to continue assembling your kit. If you have any questions about the material discussed in this video, please use the comments section below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next clip.